3 explosive letters, raising serious questions about the conduct of the Delhi police in the gang rape investigation.
Times now has exclusive copies of these 3 crucial letters. The letter written by Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit to Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, the letter written by Sub-Divisional Magistrate Usha Chaturvedi, and the letter written by Dr. B.M. Mishra to Delhi's top bureaucrats. These letters reveal shocking details about Delhi police's interference while the SDM went to Safdarjung Hospital to record the statement of the 23-year-old gang rape victim.
Sheila Dikshit asking for a probe on the basis of a complaint by the judicial officer who recorded the victim's statement on Saturday. The contents of the complaint letter by the judicial officer damning. Sub-Divisional Magistrate Usha Chaturvedi alleging she was pressurized by Delhi cops present in Safdarjung Hospital to toe the police line while recording the victim's statement. With the Delhi police rubbishing the allegation and questioning her claims, a nasty turf war coming out in the open.
सारी ब्रीफिंग उनको वहां पर दी गई। कोई क्वेश्चनर दिल्ली पुलिस ने उन पर नहीं थोपा, जैसा कि सुनने अलेज किया जा रहा है।
The letter bomb also creating a flutter in political circles.
Entire situation appears to be a fixed match. The Chief Minister wants the sacking of the Police Commissioner. Her son, who happens to be a member of Parliament, also wants the Police Commissioner's head. But the Union Home Secretary supports him. That means the central government supports him.
Incidentally, the controversy raising its head close on the heels of a letter written by Joint Secretary Parliament to Home Secretary seeking his response on serious doubts raised by 2 Congress MPs about the integrity of the Delhi police.
The first documented confrontation between the Lieutenant Governor, who is not only the boss of the Delhi police, but also controls the landowning agency of the capital, the Delhi Development Authority, came to the fore when Congress's MP from the largest constituency of the capital, Sandeep Dikshit, made some very stinging observations about not only the law and order situation in general in the capital, but also about the LG in person in a department-related committee of the parliament.
Did the Delhi police interfere in the Delhi gang rape probe and intimidate the official while she was recording the victim's statement? If the Lieutenant Governor, Home Secretary and Delhi Chief Secretary were seized of the matter, did they act on the complaint? And with the Chief Minister flagging the issue, what action is the Home Ministry taking in the case? With Prema Sridevi and Nikunj, Munmun Bhattacharya for Times Now.